close again, Mickey. Wait, not wait. This all right by the orange smoke. We cannot move, we're surrounded, we can't move it. We don't move every day, we've got them all chopped up. Whipple, pal! Woo! Yeehaw! Can't get out, we've got that. Can't leave the building. Shoot those boys at the corner. I'm going to run up the car, I'm going to follow you. They're far enough away, just I don't. Right, we're ready to go. Go on, go. Okay, you stay with that boy in the ECU. Okay. Right. We're doing this a pre-active armor, we're going straight over.
Where those guys are there?
Right, I'm putting this bomb in that building if that's the last thing I do. Go.
Walk through that building!
Not in this one, mate.
Yeah, do that quick, guys.
Yeah, 50-50 there, mate. That was fucking good.
Medic!
Is that the Dead man! Didn't blow off my face.
You're right there.
Yep.